didn't average as many points as he has. Without Harden, he will be able to.
Well, the pick and roll is going to be a big part of the Bucks game, and the first basket of the year is Lillard to Antetokounmpo. Giannis Antetokounmpo now in year 11. 30-point score a year ago. Damian Lillard, there you go. Lillard has his first points as a Milwaukee Buck.
And here's this cut. Why P.J. Tucker would not help on that cut, I don't know. It's not like you have to worry about him. Comes back, he can bring Tucker back. He will try to match their minutes as much as he can.
Giannis is on the bench. It is Brook Lopez time. Often the big assignments early here has been on Middleton. He's on Lillard right now. Lillard trying to spring free, looking for a call, and he gets it, and it goes. Damian Lillard a chance at a 4-point play.
This is so tough for a defender because Springer fights over, but you got to get that forearm off of him. Dame Lillard is an expert at this. Feels the contact, gets up. He's had a great preseason with Embiid out.
Averaged nearly 10 a game in the preseason. Lillard gets free and lays it in.
Disruptive team. Lillard to the rim.
Anthony Melton turns a corner, and the little floater short. Lillard's got it. Beauchamp running the floor. Beauchamp lays it in, and the Bucks go in transition.
And then just immediately off the rebound, looking up the floor, Beauchamp.
He's in the lowest since year 2 in the league for Tobias.
Yeah, it's
Damian Lillard scores over Embiid.
See, we can see where the screen is, all the way in the jump circle. He's just coming full speed at Embiid's.
Damian Lillard at the controls here. Under 5 minutes to go, he lets it fly. Gets the bounce. That's a shooter's touch.
No question, but they're going to need to do something on pick and roll.
He is committed to play for Team USA in the Paris Olympics. U.S. citizen last year. Giannis pulls one on Embiid and hits it. A little mid-range action for Giannis Antetokounmpo, and they're back up 4.
When they come at him on the dribble, rather than being so high turnover, he'd create better opportunities for himself.
Lillard flying in. Little scoop is good. Clear it out for Giannis. Embiid defends. Giannis gets it back, missed it again. Another chance. Lillard for 3. Down it goes.
Here it is. Giannis coming up with the offensive rebound.
Lillard gets a step. Lillard, and it goes. And 1 for Damian Lillard.
Wow. What a debut.
Damian Lillard. 3-pointer flies. And he's got another one. Damian Lillard doing what he does. He had nowhere to go.
Here's the one before. Just one-on-one with Kelly Oubre. Creates space.